The controversy over Silfab Solar is heading back to court tomorrow. The solar panel manufacturing facility is appealing a 2024 ruling from the York County Board of Zoning Appeals, which unanimously found the company's operations were not allowed under its current zoning. Community members are not only watching closely, but making sure county and state leaders are involved in what happens next. WCNC Charlotte's Bria Smith live now outside the plant in Fort Mill. So, Bria, what are we expecting tomorrow?
Yeah, Jane. Well, tomorrow's court hearing could determine the future operations for Silfab, and those we spoke with who are against the facility are just simply ready for it to be shut down.
We're hoping that the judge is going to see that the permits, that have been issued to Silfab are in violation of the BZA ruling.
In 2024, the York County Board of Zoning Appeals voted unanimously that Silfab's manufacturing operations were not permitted under the site's light industrial zoning. Silfab is challenging that decision, and after 2 years are finally getting their day in court. But Scott Jensen with Move Silfab says he hopes the plant doesn't win.
It's interesting that the judge granted Silfab this appeal because York County said that the BZA ruling didn't apply to Silfab, and if it doesn't apply, then they have no standing in court. So the fact that this court case even exists proves that the BZA ruling did apply to Silfab and that the permits issued to Silfab after the BZA ruling were in violation of that ruling and are therefore void.
This isn't the only fight Silfab is facing either. Last week, Citizens Alliance for Government Integrity, the community organization behind Move Silfab, filed a petition with the U.S. Supreme Court seeking to stop York County from allowing Silfab to operate. Silfab responded saying, quote, "Our facility supports nearly 800 good-paying jobs for people in York County and the surrounding community. We are committed to carrying out our mission of helping America become more energy independent while ensuring we continue to go above and beyond in our efforts to protect the public's health and safety." York County released their own statement saying while they are committed to public safety, they are, quote, "confident that applicable legal processes and procedures were followed throughout, as multiple courts have now affirmed." After 2 chemical incidents at the plant back in March, Jensen is encouraging everyone to push for the closure of Silfab.
Reach out to all candidates, all elected officials, and ask them their stance and their position on Silfab, because obviously it's a statewide and now becoming a national situation.
And coming up at 6, we'll have more details regarding Move Silfab's efforts in removing this facility once and for all. For now, live in Fort Mill, Bria Smith, WCNC Charlotte.
All right, we'll see what happens there up to the highest court. Thank you, Bria.